Hey guys, what's up? I'm Deidre and welcome to E Prime. Spice is not in a coma, says her manager Ray Alexander. Alexander told E Prime that the news of Spice being in a coma after a heart attack is simply not true.
I have been hearing the rumors. I hear there's some people in their life saying these things, but they are rumors. There's no truth to it. They're just pure lies.
Alexander was responding to the uproar on social media yesterday after rumors began to surface that the Queen of Dancehall suffered a heart attack and then went into a coma after doing cosmetic surgery in the Dominican Republic. The rumor mill went into full swing as Minister Marion Hall had a prayer session asking fans to pray for the Summer Like It DJ during a Facebook Live.
I pray in the name of Jesus that you will not just revive her, but you will strengthen her.
E Prime contacted sources in Dom Rep who alleged that Spice was in the island and had some complications following the surgery. However, when questioned further on this, Alexander continued to deny the claim, adding that it was up to Spice to make an official statement. Spice's last Instagram post was 2 weeks ago, where the artist stated that she was taking a hiatus from social media, adding, quote, "I refuse to answer to the noise they create to gain my attention. Every morning I wake up to something else," end quote. Mr. Vegas gets the no-go against VP Records. On Thursday, a New York district judge denied a request from Mr. Vegas to seek an injunction to bar VP Records from collecting royalties for songs wrapped up in his lawsuit against the label. According to court documents obtained by Dancehall Mag, an online blog, Judge Pamela K. Chen shot down Vegas's motion of preliminary injunction last Thursday, writing in her order that the artist has failed to demonstrate either irreparable harm or likelihood of success on the merits. The artist filed a lawsuit against VP earlier this year for copyright infringement and breach of contract surrounding the songs Heads Eye, Socky Docky, Hard Work, and Gallus. The lawsuit also contains his collaborations with Sean Paul on Hot Girl Today, Tiger Born, and the skit Nikki. VP Records in a statement says that if the injunction were granted, they would suffer lost income approximately $35,000 per year on the songs which are in dispute. It added that Mr. Vegas is clearly not harmed by his association with VP or Greensleeves and their sale of recordings on which he appears. VP Records and their subsidiary Greensleeves has a total of 37 songs from Vegas, with only a few stated in the lawsuit. Mr. Vegas was directed by the court to advise them by November 4 on how he would like to proceed with this lawsuit. Now, on the international scene, Drake reveals the artwork for Her Loss. As the anticipation builds for Drake and 21 Savage's collaborative record Her Loss, which arrives this Friday, the artists last night revealed the cover art for the new album. On Drake's official Instagram page, he tagged Her Loss front cover with the OVO symbol and some knife emojis. The cover is a portrait of model Suki Baby taken by Paris Aiden. The two have taken promotion to another level with fake interviews and magazine covers, including this Vogue in the Bag, a sit-down with Howard Stern, and even performing on The Tiny Desk. Her Loss was originally scheduled to be released last Friday, Drake's birthday, however was delayed due to the producer contracted COVID-19. The album's tracklist and collabs have not been released, but the two have an impressive track record of working together. This would be the duo's first time working together on a full-length project. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Deidre. Thank you for watching.